So in today's episode, we're going to be talking about how to get daily videos out in 2 hours or less.
The eyes may be able to see, but without a heart, you cannot feel.
What's up, everybody? This is George C. Samuels, and you are watching episode 13 of the It Will Come Show. So first, though, why is this important? Well, for those of you who are building your own personal brand within your own networks or your own communities, video is set to really take off this year, especially live video. So, apps like Periscope, Meerkat, Snapchat, all of these are going to be great ways for you to further amplify what you have to share with the world. Now, YouTube is still there, and it's still set to be doing quite well this year. So, as part of my own strategy, I do daily videos like the ones that you're watching, and I publish them to YouTube, and I also put them onto Facebook. But when I ask folks, how long does it take you to actually do your videos or your podcasts, a lot of folks usually say at least a day or more. Now, this advice is for people who are starting out, okay? As you go along and you start getting known for your work, it will be important to start fine-tuning your videos and spending more time to create quality content. But in the beginning, from my own experience, just pushing it out, shipping it out is a lot more important. So here is actually a breakdown of my 2 hours every single day of how I put my content together for video. All right, and that's it. Now, granted, the skills that you'll need to know is, of course, how to record your own video. I'm just using this iPhone. You'll need video editing software. I use Camtasia. And also, you need to know how to write accompanying show notes. And then, of course, remembering to queue up your social media using tools like Buffer. All right? So there you have it. How to get all your daily video stuff out within 2 hours. And remember, it will come.
The eyes may be able to see, but without a heart, you cannot feel.